Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to another season of Supernatural Encounter in God's Presence. It's Ephatha Season 10 with the theme Turn Around in the book of Psalms 126, verse 1 to 2. The Bible says, When the Lord turned again the captivity of Zion, we were like them that dream. Then was our mouth filled with laughter and our tongue with singing. I invite you to join other men and women all around the globe from 15th to 16th of this month, 11:30 p.m. daily.